Okay, welcome back. Make sure you subscribe so that you will always be updated whenever something new is trending. Okay, we remember a few months ago, Ringtone Apoko, aka chairman of gospel industry, had revealed that if God doesn't give him a BMW, he was going to quit gospel industry. So today, he has finally come out and revealed that God embarrassed him to his enemies. After fasting for 30 days and praying, he was not able to get a BMW. So this guy went ahead and said that he was not going to quit gospel industry because of some reason, which he explained it very well in his video. Okay, enough of the saying. Here's the video that Ringtone shared on his Instagram page.
Ringtone from Kenya. I know today I'm address all over Africa, where people have been waiting for me to see if I'm get the BMW i8. So today I want to address you guys. I want to tell you that my prayer and fast, the 40 days I had promised, ended yesterday, and unfortunately I am not get the BMW i8. Looks like Jesus decided to embarrass me. And Jesus has embarrassed me in front of my enemies. But I had promised that if Jesus does not give me the BMW i8, I was going to quit gospel music. Now, I woke up wanting to quit. Then I am asked myself, I drive very expensive cars. I have 3 Range Rovers. I have a V8. I have a beautiful Mercedes Benz. I live in a over a $2 million mansion. I have expensive lifestyle, millions of shillings in the account. I just bought an helicopter that is about to be delivered. I have a lot of money I've put in offshore accounts. All this. I have expensive clothes, expensive shoes. I have expensive jewelry, expensive phones, expensive watches. I have expensive things, and I'm handsome. All these things I'm given by God. So then I'm asking myself, if I quit God, am I going to go with the things of God? I go with expensive cars, expensive lifestyle, a lot of money. You know, I'm a very rich artist. Actually, I'm the richest musician in East and Central Africa. So I decided if I quit God, I will leave all these things. Then I go start on my own. Then I'm remembered that even my life is not mine, I'm given by God. Ladies and gentlemen, I've decided that I will not quit because I am poor, I am useless, I am nothing without God. When my father died, when I was 5 years old, I never had a mother or a father. The person who stood for me, stood with me in suffering, in everything, is Jesus. I cannot quit Jesus. No, I cannot. Because I'm useless, I am nothing without Jesus. Ladies and gentlemen, I did not get the BMW i8, but I have remembered my life. I was a street boy, no father, no mother. Jesus has made me what I am. I am grateful to Jesus. God bless you. No quit.